Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make and use your own design custom brush in Microsoft Paint of Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Paint applications that comes preloaded with every Windows operating system. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So you can see a tons of brushes here, right? But we don't have any our own custom process that we have made. So how you can make a custom process? So let me take a pencil. You can take anything because these tricks will gonna work on with any design or any selection. So I'm just showing you an example. I'm taking a pencil. You can take even a text, you can take even a snippet of any circles or anything. So I'm just taking a pencil, so I'll just draw some lines. So I've just drawn this kind of lines, right? So I want this to be my custom process, which I will be going to use in my Microsoft Paint. So firstly, after selecting your design, so in my case I'm just selecting this kind of design for my brush. You can select any design or you can create your own design for your respective process. So after that, you can see here on the left top corner, you can see here select, right? Just click on it. Now just select the diagram or the structure that you have created. So I've selected, right? So now you can see here again, once again, the select down arrow, just click on it. Now under that, you need to enable this transparent selections. Just enable this. Now on your computer keyboard, just press and hold the left shift button, and now press your mouse cursor under this box area or the select area. As you can see, the 4 directional arrow icon, right? Now just press and hold your left mouse button and start dragging, and keep pressing the shift button also. Don't release the shift key also. So you can see here, now we can use the custom brushes that we can draw here. So you can see here the custom brushes we can draw right now. You can see here, and once you release the shift key, still it will work. But once you release the left mouse button, and if you click on any other area, you won't be able to draw again this. So it's a little drawback, but still, if you want to use your own custom process, then using these tricks you can use your own custom design process in your Microsoft Paint of Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.